I did it. My friend here can't though.
Ew, it's all gross and like...
I'm all fantastic.
This doesn't make me sneeze. How did you do this? Just shove it up there farther.
That's what she said. You said hanky-panky.
It's not working.
Sneeze.
I can't do it. Sorry. Big letdown.